vacuuming for mommy? Let's go the other way. Let's go. Whoa! Preston. Oh, Preston. Hey, let's go this way. Here, come over here. Let's go this way. You can push it. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Are you helping mommy? Wow, you're such a big helper. Oh my gosh, you're so good. You think we're done? Okay, you want to go a little bit more? Okay, let's turn it off. All done. Oh, what happened, huh? Whoa. All done. Whoa.